It's mesmerizing, frankly. I think that's the best word to try and summarize the move which we've seen for silver in the last 6 odd months. But then what was the reason why silver started to outperform gold? And I'll throw in a very interesting perspective. This is more of a statistical rally which has happened for silver with respect to gold. Now, if you go back just about 6-7 months back, April 21st, 2025, when you look at the gold and silver prices in terms of dollar terms, gold was almost at 3,400 levels, silver almost $30 to $33. Interestingly, the ratio for gold silver at that time was almost 104, 105. This was almost equal to the 3 standard deviation bands in terms of outperformance of gold with respect to silver. Now, these are abnormal outperformances which you see in stock prices in asset classes when they go into 3 standard deviation bands, and then they tend to correct themselves in a matter of maybe 6 months, 1 year kind of a time frame. And now when you look at the gold silver prices, you're now looking at 4,200 approximately for the gold prices and 63.64. So which means almost a 100% jump in the silver prices in the last 6 odd months and a 30% rise in the gold prices. This has brought the ratio from 104, 105 to almost 67. Interestingly, the 67 is the mean for the gold silver ratio over the last many years of chart performances. This along with the short term of the quarterly charts for silver prices. Now, interestingly, we've seen the parabolic kind of a move happening for silver prices, but this move is now getting a little bit into a frothy or a euphoric zone, because if you can look at the red line over here, this is the 3 standard deviation band for silver prices on dollar terms on the quarterly charts, and we are above the 3 standard deviation bands. Historically, whenever that has happened, we've seen silver prices moderate from here on and go into a patch of a multi-quarter consolidation. So my sense is that a major part of the rally, which was there due to statistical abnormality for the gold silver, I think that's shaped up. Now we could be at a point where the silver prices may go into a potential multi-quarter consolidation from here on.
Okay, excellent. And Kunal, sorry, one more follow-up. If I were to extrapolate this chart maybe over the next 2 years, I recall that during Samvat you suggested that silver will hit 2.5 lakhs, correct, at least in India.
Yes.
That by next Samvat, of course, correct. That was your prediction. Correct. Expected? I'm just trying to get a sense.
Yeah, absolutely, Harsh.
Okay.
So this tells you that from 1,60,000 where we predicted that the silver prices will tend to outperform, we've already hit 2 lakhs. Now for the next couple of quarters we should moderate, but the trajectory will still be on the upside. It's just that we are now into a slight frothy zone, so it calls in for some sort of a cool off over here before the next trend picks up.